So people always think that what's the safest place to go, where the safest path to go, um, where the safest path to go. Okay, so I would suggest one thing is that bro, where are you going? Seriously, where are you going? If you see, okay, give me a name of a person who did follow their passions and they become not unbeatable. Give me the name, like seriously. Okay, so here I'm talking about is like I think people go see. Honestly speaking, I would never ever just say that this is something wrong. If you really wanted to whatever you want, whatever way you wanted to go, you should go. Okay, here I'm talking about is people always used to go medicines, law, being actor, and like engineering and tech fields. Like I am the kind of person who's like doing tech field, but the where the drop is that nobody did a career counseling to us. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem in our education system. And I'm not talking about that thing particular thing. I'm talking about it. They are the noble professions. You can go for it, and you will get a huge status and as well money in with them. But the I'm at this point, that point, I'm just talking about a whole different perspective. Is your passion? What will your passion do with you if you really follow it? Let me tell you. So, you see Ronaldo and Leo Messi, they follow their football career. Like it doesn't pay them. They doesn't even give a shit about it. That it pays them dollars and millions. They just started because they wanted the fire in their vein. Oh, okay. I can feel that because as an artist, I can just the art and the thing that literally you like it. It literally make so fire in your veins. Like I can even express that. Okay, I can even express it by one word. Yeah, their work actually show up, and every time they make something so brilliant, like so brilliant. Like they own their own muse. You know, Van Gogh, he just met like a priceless priceless art materials and stuff like that, and he got the it's about okay, this thing is about that if you follow your passion, bro, no one can literally beat you. I'm not saying that you shouldn't go for the human race and stuff like that. If you wanted to go for it. But if God give you a signature style, a signature style passion and signature style things inside you, bro, don't avoid it. Please just don't avoid it. There's so many things I see in the people. So many times I see in the people they are just literally dropping their main hand aura. Like you have aura, bro. Please don't go for it. Please, it's just like आपको अल्लाह ताला ने कुछ दिया है, have a talent and you're just dropping that thing. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई मुझे पैसे कमाने स्टेटस कमाने बट आपको एक चीज समझ आनी चाहिए कि नहीं देख हमें वो चीज ना एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी और मिल जाएगी अगर हम अपनी चीजों को यू नो एक चीज है अगर आप किसी चीज को बनाना क्रिएटर हैं आप आर्टिस्ट हैं कुछ भी हैं ठीक है ना ये यू वांट समथिंग क्रिएटिव है अगर आप अंदर से हैं एंड यू वांटेड टू मेक समथिंग तो आपको ये चीजें ना मैटर ही नहीं करेंगी कि यार लाइक ये कोई लोग मुझे मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज करें ऐसे करें वैसे करें आपका जब तक इनर सेटिस्फाई नहीं होता ना तब तक आप खुश नहीं होता पहले 4 लोग आपसे खुश हो 5 लोग खुश हो 1000 लोग आपसे खुश हो आपका कंटेंट आप अपनी चीजों से खुश नहीं हो no you care nobody and if you like that particular thing particular line particular structure particular like narration it's just you okay so the poetry poems art and other stuff too they are the muse okay and this is something sort of art not everyone can see not everyone can feel that not everyone can enjoy that but the one who just have inner reflection of that. So yeah, I'm not forcing you, but if you if you think you have some sort of energy, okay, so just don't dust down that spark. I know like money played a huge part in our life, but if you let fully focus on your spark, on your fuel, if you fully fuel your passion, it will literally give you unpriceless amount of money. Like seriously, seriously. Yeah, that's my thoughts. And मुझे नहीं पता आपका क्या है, but let me know. Okay, मिलते हैं. We'll see you in the next video.